If you want to completely disable Gemini or Google Assistant on the Redmi A7 Pro, first of all, we need to open Settings. Over here in Settings, we're gonna scroll down and we need to go to Google. Now, once you open Google Services, you wanna switch to All Services in here, and then we're gonna scroll down and we need to find Search Assistant and Voice. So select that option. Now in here, you want to go to Google Assistant. Even if you use Gemini, you want to choose Google Assistant. And in fact, if you use Gemini, which is probably the case, you want to go to Digital Assistants from Google in this menu, and you want to switch from Gemini to Google Assistant and confirm your choice. If you already use Google Assistant by default, then of course you can skip that step. Next, you want to go to General, and in here you can tap on the Google Assistant switcher in order to turn it off. And there we go. Of course, besides that, we can also remove the shortcut to the Gemini or Google Assistant, or for Gemini or Google Assistant. So to do that, you want to go to Additional Settings in the Settings menu, then open Gesture Shortcuts. In here we can choose Launch a Digital Assistant, and you want to turn this option off. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.